Hello everyone, yung Mama Betchay here and welcome back to my channel. Kung bago lang kayo sa aking channel, please subscribe, like, and click the notification bell as I will be posting new videos weekly. Lazada's 99 Big Discovery Sale has just been concluded and I would like to ask mga sellers kung kumusta po ang mga benta ninyo. Naka-join po ba kayo nung 99 Discovery Sale? Mahina ba o malakas ba? Please let me know in the comment section below. 99 Sale is an important sale event for us mga sellers. It's a great opportunity for us to try out new features and offerings in preparation for the upcoming mega sales which is 11/11 and 12/12. Kaya po siya tinawag na 99 Discovery Sale. So in connection with the 99 sale and in today's video, I'm going to discuss and I will give you tips on how you can increase your sales with Lazada o kung anumang online selling platform na ginagamit nyo. Kung Shopee seller kayo o kung Zalora seller kayo, these tips may or may not help you, but it worked on me as a seller of Lazada for 6 years and I'm hoping na makatulong din sa inyo. We have few more months to go before 11/11 and 12/12, the biggest sale of the year, and I think we are, or it is the right time to make this video. By the way, there are lots of ways to increase your sales with Lazada. First is, kung may budget kayo, you can go pay your online selling platform to boost your brand or shop to increase traffic. Pero dahil nga sa nagsisimula pa lang tayo and we are on a budget, this video is just about that. Okay? So as I give you tips, I will also be showing the SM store in the Lazada platform as they are a good example for this tutorial. You don't need to be an owner of an SM store, but you can replicate or you can get their best practices, yung great PR campaigns that they do online. This is not sponsored by SM by the way, pero kung may taga-SM dyan, beka naman. Okay? Kidding aside. Anyway, so let's start looking at the slides as I discuss the things you can do to increase your online shop sales. Okay, so our guide number 1. Promote your online shop by branching out with social media. We have 2 social media platforms that we can utilize. One is Facebook and the other is IG or Instagram. Social media is essential if you want to promote your online shop effectively. It takes effort and time to build followers, but it's a good platform to branch out your brand for free and let the people know what your brand is all about and where they can order it. So when you promote your shop and products, make sure to link your Lazada URL, especially during campaigns. Okay, so punta naman tayo sa ating guide number 2. Have a quality product images. Regardless of what you sell, please include high-quality images of your products. Kahit on a budget ka, you still can do this. Meron tayong tutorial sa channel on how you can take photos like a pro. So, pakibisita po. May 2 tutorials akong ginawa doon and I hope you can learn from those tutorials. Also, be sure to include a wide range of images. So, balikan natin yung shop ng SM sa Lazada platform. As you can see here, ito yung mga images niya. And let's just click on one item, itong t-shirt. And as you can see, nakita natin on the left, meron siyang 3 shots. So, and ito rin yung performance niya, seller rating, ship on time, and yung chat response. Okay? So, as you can see here, meron siyang 3 shots. Yung nakaharap si model. Okay? And then, the second shot is yung nakatalikod. Okay? And the third shot is yung details nung t-shirt na binibenta ni SM. Okay? So, that is what I meant with wide range of images. Okay, so sa guide number 3 naman tayo, have a clear product content. Okay, papaano? Have a clear product name and description. For example, if you sell a t-shirt, I suggest you follow the 3 keyword rule in the product name. Don't just put their t-shirt, okay? But dito, balikan natin yung ating example kay SM Store sa t-shirt niya. So, instead of just t-shirt, nilagay niya dito, Smith Boys Teen Shoulder Stripes, knit tee in black. Okay? So, ayan, actually, more than the 3 keyword rule yan. Ayan siya. So, if pwede nyo ilagay yung quality ng product, pwede rin naman. Okay, kung cotton siya. So, that's just a good example kung paano natin papangalanan o lalagyan ng product name yung ating items. Okay? Then, sa description naman ng ating product, I suggest in bullet points dahil most customers doesn't want to read a long paragraph for the description. So, make it brief and concise. Ayan. So, kung nakikita natin dito sa ating video, ayan, nilagay niya, naka-bullet point siya. And then, nilagay niya kung ano yung material, round neck siya, with sleeves, and so on. Punta naman tayo sa ating guide number 4. Increase your assortments. Meaning, dagdagan nyo po yung number ng SKUs nyo o items sa shop nyo. I suggest or preferably at least 30 products and up para may variety naman in your shop. Mas maraming products, mas maraming click rate ng customers as they browse through your online shop. Next, we have our guide number 5. Set a competitive price. Set both price and sale price in your seller center for every SKU or items. Check your competitors' pricing and see if you can compete and make it lower. Okay, so self-explanatory na po yan. If you can lower ng 10 pesos or 5 pesos versus the competitor, mas okay po. The customers value their money kahit 5 pesos pa lang man yan o 10 pesos na difference, eh malaki na po yan para sa ating mga customers. Okay, so let's go to guide number 6. Be honest. Not only is honesty crucial to your business reputation, but it also fosters and encourages trust in your brand or in your shop. Don't make claims you can't substantiate. Dahil kung nag-i-evolve po yung e-commerce, in today's consumers, sensitive po sila sa mga marketing BS. So be honest, straightforward, and approachable sa inyong mga sales copy from your homepage to your social media campaigns. So, to make this explanation short, for example, sa damit mo, kung damit ang binibenta mo, nilagay mo sa product name or sa description a cotton, tapos pala ang actual ay rayon ng material, that will only lead to decrease of your seller rating and of course, bad experience kay customer. And our last tip or our last guide in increasing your online shop sales is of course to join promotion. Join campaigns available in the seller center because Lazada launches special campaigns in every festival and occasion all year round. They put a lot of efforts to marketing during big campaigns. Diba, they hire celebrities during campaign period. Papakita natin itong 99 sale lang. They hired yung mga vloggers, celebrities, and kung sa Shopee naman, mostly yung PR campaigns naman ng Shopee, they hire yung mga international celebrities like the Blackpink, and then the famous soccer player. Yeah, so very important po yung pag-join ng campaign. And in the event po na nag-join kayo ng campaign, baka nagtataka po kayo, nag-join ako ng campaign pero konti lang ang benta ko. That is okay po. That is okay. That usually happens, especially kung bago lang kayo. Pero the advantage po ng pag-join ng campaign is yung increase ng traffic ng ating online shop. Meaning, yung mga visitors o yung mga nagki-click. Dahil campaign po, there is a big possibility that customers can click or can go straight to your shop. Okay, so that is very helpful also in order to make a sale. May campaign man o wala. Alright, so that would be the end of our video today discussing how to improve your sales or how to increase your online shop sales. I hope na may natutunan po kayo in our today's video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And if you have questions, feel free to comment it down below and I'll be happy to answer it during my spare time. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye!